What is up and welcome back. So for the first time in a while we are back at the Bronx and I could not be more stoked. Today we've got the good old Chinese mountain goat out here, my KT250. The bottom end is hurt, like this bike is hurting bad. I'd be surprised if it makes it through the day. So we have a full motor build scheduled for this bike. I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna rebuild the entire bike. We're gonna completely tear it down, completely redo the motor, go through the suspension, brakes, everything, and make sure it's 100% dialed for the 2023 season. And then we have the MotoPro RR300 as well. There's some guys that have been asking for technical videos on the RR300, so we've got it fitted up with a disc guard. It's got a bash plate, and we made a little DIY linkage slider, and it's got these hide swing arm guards. It's got a soft rear tire with tubeless, and the KT's got rock hard tires with mooses.
What's up, guys? Just had some bananas in my shake.
Some bananas and some chockies.
Bananas and chockies in the shake.
Yeah.
Gonna shake this bad boy down. Really excited to get on the 300. I haven't been on it yet, so excited to have a go on that, see what it's like on the technical stuff. We haven't been out at the Bronx for a while, so trails are going to be probably a little bit overgrown, but always fun riding out here. And after the rain, it's going to probably be a nice and wet and slippery. So yeah, trying to get our, I guess, fitness and pace up. So we'll try and do very little resting and as much as possible riding.
Going well. So we are just doing a leisurely cruise on our XC track because as you can see it's super swampy, and the bottom end on the KT250 is definitely hurt. That thing sounds like a vibrator bouncing around on your mother's table. And yeah, so we want to get to the mountain. I'm not even sure if that bike will make it through the day. Yeah, but the main focus is the RR300 today. See what it does on the mountain. And we're also dialing in the jetting a bit. Bit on the ridge side. there's a stump. Very rusty today, very rusty.
Jesus. Oh. Aye.
Now I'm seeing spots again. Don't exert yourself physically after you have had COVID, kids. Oh my god. Gaan nog 'n bietjie vorentoe.
Don't tap off early, bro. You just over and then you tap off. Just ride it until where it's flat. So ek gaan opgaan toe, draai hierdie fucking ding en toe kon ek nie klas intrek nie.
Don't tap off too early.
Ja. Go one more step down now.
A little bit more. Now you're even more in the way.
Yeah, I need to put my kit on.